Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint to the Reserve Bank of India against a bank. First, you must always approach your bank directly to resolve any issues. Utilize their internal grievance redressal system, which is designed to address customer concerns efficiently. It's crucial to document every interaction, including dates, times, and reference numbers, as this evidence will be vital later. Give the bank a fair chance to resolve your issue, typically allowing them up to 30 days to provide a resolution. You should approach the Reserve Bank of India if your bank fails to respond to your complaint within 30 days, or if their resolution is unsatisfactory. The RBI handles complaints concerning deficiencies in banking services. Before escalating, it is essential that you have fully exhausted the bank's internal grievance redressal mechanism. This ensures that the bank has had every opportunity to address your concerns directly before external intervention is sought. To file a complaint with the Reserve Bank of India, use their dedicated complaint management system, or CMS. This online portal is designed for easy access and submission of grievances. When filing, ensure you provide all necessary details and attach any supporting documents, such as communication with your bank. After submission, you will receive a unique reference number, allowing you to conveniently track the status and progress of your complaint online. The Reserve Bank of India acts as an independent ombudsman, facilitating the resolution of banking service complaints. They work towards a fair resolution through conciliation or, if necessary, arbitration. The ombudsman's decision is binding on the bank, ensuring that your grievance is addressed effectively. This entire service is provided free of charge to all customers, reinforcing the RBI's commitment to protecting consumer interests in the banking sector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.